Eye bags, we all face them at some point in our lives. They make us look tired and sleepy, but how do you get rid of them? As an ophthalmologist, I've seen countless remedies passing over the years, going from ice bags to expensive cosmetics. I've spent countless hours researching, treating patients, and compiling the most effective strategies to help get rid of under eye bags. This isn't just another quick tip video. It's the culmination of years of expertise and real-world solutions. But now it's time to shed light on the ones that actually will make a difference in your eyes. 1 out of 4 Americans is suffering from eye bags. First, I want to address the causes, because the best way to overcome eye bags is by resolving the underlying cause. Many consider eye bags to be due to a lack of sleep. Although this is partly true, it's only one of the many causes. We also see an increase in people who are suffering from allergies, especially in the spring season when pollen and allergies are at their top. More people are suffering from eye bags. Next, you also want to control your salt intake, as excess salt can retain water and cause fluffiness around the eyes. Alcohol also increases the chances of forming eye bags. The skin is the thinnest under your eyes, and that makes the effects first visible there. As we age, our skin becomes less elastic, which increases the chance of eye bags even more. And if none of the above causes fits your case, you're left with your genes. Some people have a higher possibility of developing eye bags than others. So what are the best solutions for getting rid of them? From all the remedies my patients ever considered, I want to present you with the most effective ones, starting from the easiest, done at home, up to medical and surgical interventions. Sleeping well is the first solution. Good sleep is the foundation of our overall well-being, and that's not different for our eyes. If you lack sleep, your body doesn't have enough time to restore the skin around the eye, and you start to form eye bags over time. The amount of sleep needed differs from person to person, but I would recommend having at least 7 hours of sleep. The perfect excuse for a nap the next time you want to relax on the sofa, I would say. When dreaming about relaxing on the sofa, you're probably imagining yourself with cucumber slices covering your eyes. Although this is a famous site for skincare routines, this is only partly true. Cucumber slices can do the job, but what we are actually looking for is the coolness, not the cucumber. So ordinarily cold compresses will do just fine. Too much salt intake can also cause eye bags. You want to make sure to do 2 things here. First, drink enough water to keep your overall skin healthy and flush out the salt. Second, limit your salt intake. So limit salty chips, sausages, pre-prepared frozen meals, or canned foods while you are relaxing. If you have allergies, consider antihistamines, which could be taken orally or applied topically. This brings us to the most frequently used remedies for eye bags. Yes, I'm talking about skincare and facial masks. As a seasoned ophthalmologist, I want to warn you, there are a lot of products on the market that make loose promises. 95% of the actual effects are based on the remedies we already mentioned above. Face masks use the cold to reduce skin bags and hydrate the skin. Skincare consists mostly of skin tightening ingredients. Even though that might be an instant fix, it works only temporarily and won't treat the underlying problem. If none of the above remedies is working for you and you are looking for a permanent fix, you're left with 2 options. The first one is radiofrequency, an innovative cosmetic procedure that doesn't require any surgery. This new method uses skin rejuvenation benefits of radiofrequency energy to melt and adjust fat, generate collagen, and improve skin's tone and texture to effectively treat your under eye bags. The effect created by this intervention was until recently only possible with surgery. IPL, which stands for intense pulsed light, could be combined with radiofrequency for the best results, as they work synergistically to improve the eye bags. If all this is not enough, classic lower blepharoplasty surgery is the last choice and best solution in many cases. This intervention has been used by specialists for many years to remove excess fat underneath the eyes, and with this also reduce your eye bags. Following this technique, it's possible to obtain natural looking results safely and predictably. The surgeon can access the eyelid fat from within the eye socket, and there is no need for opening skin or causing scarring around the eyes. I would love to hear your experiences with under eye bags in the comments section below. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insight from my years of experience. Thank you.